Hi viewers, today our topic is about general introduction about cephalosporins and how to memorize different generations of cephalosporin by using a trick. So, okay, cephalosporins, cephalosporins, cephalosporins belongs to beta lactam antibiotics. Beta lactam antibiotics act on inhibiting the cell wall synthesis, inhibiting cell wall synthesis of bacteria. Cell wall synthesis of bacteria. Next, obtained from Cephalosporium acrimonium. Cephalosporium acrimonium. It is a fungus. Next, act on both gram positive and gram negative species. Major adverse reaction is hypersensitivity reaction. Hypersensitivity reaction. Next, biological target penicillin binding proteins is a biological target for cephalosporins. Okay, coming to its structure. It is ring 1 and it is ring 2. It is beta lactam ring, beta lactam ring. It is dihydrothiazine ring, dihydrothiazine ring. Next, how to memorize different generation of cephalosporins. Okay, how to memorize different generations of cephalosporins. Okay, first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. In first generation, after Ceph there is A. After Ceph there is the letter A. Then all those drugs belongs to first generation. There is one exception, except cefaclor. Cefaclor. Although it is having Ceph after A, but it belongs to second generation. Okay, and this is the trick. Coming to third generation, suffix of the drug ending with me or 1 or 10. All these belongs to third generation. There is one exception, except cefuroxime. Cefuroxime. So although it is having me, but it's not belongs to third generation. It belongs to second generation. Okay. Coming to fourth generation, there is pi in the drug. Example, cefepime. So there is pi. So all the drugs having pi in between the drugs, it belongs to fourth generation. Coming to fifth generation, example, role, ceftobiprole, all these drugs having the role in the center, so it belongs to fifth generation. So there is no specific trick for second generation drugs. Okay, after if there is A, it belongs to first generation except cefaclor, and third generation suffix ending with me 1 and 10 belongs to third generation. There is one exception, example, cefuroxime belongs to second generation. Fourth generation, in between the drug, in center of the drug having pi, example cefepime, it belongs to fourth generation. There is no exception in fourth generation. In fifth generation, in center of the drug is having role, it belongs to fifth generation, example ceftobiprole. So there is no exception in fifth generation also. Exception present in only first generation and third generation only. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel to obtain latest notification. Thank you.